Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW Guy YouTube channel, and today we've got a quick video showing you how the hill descent control on the Hyundai Kona works. So as you can see, we've got a nice little downhill here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the car in gear and press the button here. As you can see, it's come on, and now I'm literally just going to let off the brake. And as you can see, the car is now braking itself. My foot is off the brake. The light is flashing down here, and the car is literally braking itself and slowing it down here, which is quite nice. So I've just got my foot on the clutch and the car's doing the rest. As you can see, it's coping really well. So I'm going to put the indicator on now, brake, and that's us down the bottom of the hill. So as you can see, it was quite a steep incline, or decline even, but the car handled it really well. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Cheers.